Is your Lumion LiveSync not working and showing this annoying host file error? Don't worry, because in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you a simple fix that works instantly, even if you are a complete beginner. Is this your first time on SketchUp Modeling Academy? You are in the right place. Tap the subscribe button to join the community as we explore creative ideas together. So basically, this error happens because your computer's host file is blocking Lumion LiveSync from connecting properly. But don't worry, you don't need any advanced skills to fix it. Step 1. Uninstall LiveSync. Click on Extension Manager. Here's the Lumion LiveSync. Click on Manage, Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. Close it. Close SketchUp. Now open the File Explorer. Click on PC. Open the local files. Click on Windows. Scroll down to System32. Open it. Scroll down to Drivers. Click on etc. Now create a new folder. Right click, New, Folder, Continue. Now rename it to Lumion. Select the host file, right click, cut it. Open the Lumion folder, paste it, continue. Close it. Now restart your computer. Open SketchUp, click on Extension Manager, install extension. Locate the folder you have the Lumion LiveSync. Select it, open. We have it here. Let's start the LiveSync. Click yes. Okay, the LiveSync is working perfectly now. And just like that, your LiveSync is up and running. No more errors, no more stress. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if it worked for you. And if you want more simple SketchUp and Lumion tutorials like this, I've got you covered. See you in the next video.